Microaggressions, not a perfect term, but the term that's been coined to describe the experiences of folks from underrepresented or marginalized groups that oftentimes feel othering or as if they don't belong. Some examples of microaggressions might be interruptions, someone taking credit for an idea that wasn't truly theirs, not being included or even invited to the meeting or the outing, or someone making an assumption about you that's not true. There's also other ways to describe microaggressions like non-inclusive behavior or exclusionary behavior. However you want to talk about it, and it's important that we have language to describe what it is, why it matters, and then more importantly, how to intervene and not be a bystander when we see or experience something that doesn't feel inclusive. So in our workshop on managing microaggressions proactively, we talk about what they are, examples, how to keep your radar up and be looking for instances where you can intervene, strategies, words, phrasing to say, because in that moment, sometimes it feels very uncomfortable speaking up, even though you know it's the right thing to do. People need language to explain the situation and resolve it in a way that we learn something from it and we don't shame and blame someone that might be doing something unintentionally that they're completely unaware of. The fun part of the workshop is that we practice real life scenarios that can be custom to your work group, things that are said and are all too often commonplace in many workplace settings. We hope you'll join us and learn more at nextpivotpoint.com.